Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Source Express, and we're installing a mini split today, 2.5 ton mini split, and you can see behind me for the customer, that's the condenser, that's the pad, and those are the copper lines going up into the hole that we made. And run the electrical. Inside the house or inside the place. So up there in the wall, this is his game room area. So up on the wall you can see the mini split head there. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. Mini splits as well, 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, 24/7, emergency available. Austin and surrounding areas. So give us a call, 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video. Bye.